Katanat urban kasorkar jala haga khatsau trik nailar kalapalong da musical evening Khyndailad lo kum shibanta jong ka jingplie ka Lynti Sur Bathiang new musical street kabalash na khnang banpan iyak pateng bariuspa jong ka jala hakalyang katem kapun nakalyang umentri rangba ka jala ukonrat ki sangma haka jingkren ulapan pawe ka jingthmu banthawe ki surok ka itanan haka ba ki samla donsap haka tem kapun hila banyan shimbanta bat ka ban pun mantoy kinong shnong kinong wan shangkai bade kinong khayi hakathan ula banrap ru ba an pan bhaya kate ka jaka de kelenti ki jan ki jaka shong ki sharang ki jaka di coffee bat ka jaka na ka banta kinong tem nong pun ka ban khring bat pan sngotanat e kinong late nong wan shibanta jong ka CM-Meghalaya grassroots music project CM-MGMP kani ka sin jam ka thmu ban plilat hakalyang ka aikam aijam bat kamai kaji ya kinong tam nong rwai try muluk kan pelong ru ya kinong shong shnong bat kinong wan shangkai bakin mar bat sakhi ya ka kolshor bakarpang hakate ka janmiet la sakhi ru ya ka jinga shimbanta da ka kinhun rwai dala riti ka bapun paw ru ya ka khana halor ka tanrai jong ka tem ka pun bat ka kolshor ka Meghalaya Menteri Katana Tourism uba poling do ulapan kesan ya ka jinglong jong ka shlong kum ka nongba ka put ka tem jong kari da ka bathmu ban pelong ya ka de ka nongba kum ka jaka pedeng na ka benta ki jingpen i ki kolshor bat ki jaka baya de bat ki nonglet nongwan ha ka ni ka si layo dan lang ru u Commissioner and Secretary Katana Urban u Dr. Vijay Kumar na lor ki officer na Katana Tourism bat Urban na lor ki nomi kman na ka MGMP
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
There were many things that people told us was difficult to do, whether it is the assembly building, which had taken 20 years to start, and today we are almost at the point of completing the new assembly, whether it was the border issue, where people said it's impossible to move forward in that. But we decided and we moved forward, and I'm happy to inform you that the first border pillars in Hahim area have been finalized already. The lines have been drawn and it has been resolved in a peaceful manner. And like that, many others will also be resolved. Our Vivanta, our Crowborough Hotel was lying in this state for 35 years. And a lot of people did not believe or expect that it would happen. This entire process of Khyndailad, of ensuring that we could relocate our street vendors, was something that was thought impossible. But as rightly mentioned by Paul Lingdo, that where there is a will, there is a way. And we were very determined that we will be firm in how we move forward, but we will always carry our people along. We are not a government who is here to bulldoze our decisions. We are not here to simply bypass the stakeholders. We believe in engaging, we believe in discussing, we believe in consulting, but we also believe in being firm on our points and ensuring that we are able to achieve our goal. I am very happy today that this particular street, which we'll be calling the Lynti Sur Bathiang, this, as we know, is literally the meaning is the path of beautiful melodies, and as rightly mentioned by our MC, that we have always dreamt of making this street and hopefully many other streets, not just in Shillong, but in other parts of this beautiful state of ours, where we have music being played by our youngsters and creating opportunities for them and allowing our tourists and residents and citizens to then enjoy that particular music. And therefore, it will begin from here. When we started the MGMP program earlier, which is now called the CM-MGMP program, this was a very, very important part of that package. We wanted our streets to be bustling with individuals and groups performing on the street in different locations, so that we're able to, as I said, create employment also, create livelihood, and at the same time give a wonderful experience to our tourists and to the citizens of our state. As a complete pedestrian zone, and I understand that the localities will have challenges, residents will have challenges, but there is always a compromise where we have to come to. It is not a simple task, but we will all have to cooperate, we will have to adjust, and we'll have to see how we are able to implement this in a very strict manner. But at the same time, I can understand that there could be emergency cases, emergency situations. I'm sure that the administration will definitely look into those aspects. But as a matter of principle, and as a matter of ensuring that that 5 hours is a pedestrian zone and a vehicle-free zone, is something that will go a long, long way in really creating the right environment in this area, which will ultimately benefit the people, the citizens, and the business and trade that takes place in this particular zone. So I really encourage and I request our residents here to please cooperate with the administration and work together, because this is being done for the benefit of the area, for the benefit of the citizens, and for the benefit of the tourist. We will be creating different infrastructures. Right now we have just done the temporary beautification, but I can assure you that we will be redoing the entire footpath. We'll be creating different kind of beautification, lamps and benches and coffee shops and places where people can perform. This entire area will become an area where people would love to just spend their time, enjoy the music, and hassles-free, they'll be able to move around in this zone. I also want to share with you that the entire area behind us, as you know, the Assembly Secretariat, we are very hopeful that once the Assembly shifts to the new location, which I expect will be in the early part of next year, we will be expanding the roads, creating parking spaces, utilizing that space that's there behind us. So this entire space will be beautified. All the parkings that take place, including the taxis and the buses, will be given space to park the buses and the taxis in the long run. And that way we'll be able to ensure that this area gets more, the congestion goes down and gets more decongested, so that people can start enjoying this place even more. And all the street vendors, I would like to take a special moment to thank you for your cooperation. I know it's not easy for you. I know it was a big task and a big challenge, but then you have cooperated with us. Let me assure you that we are with you. We will try to work with you and try to see how we can help you as a government in your day-to-day challenges and difficulties you face in terms of your livelihood. And let me assure you that government has already helped financially. In the future also, we will explore more and more options and more ways to help our street vendors also.
Tulang, hakamat yalah. Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.